So this is part 2. We're back. My phone decided to shut off on the last of this. So we're back trying to get all the seeds off of here, pollen or whatever. Anyway, we're back to unboxing. So let's see if I'm still recording here. My phone's being difficult today. I hope it's still recording. Yep, it is. Anyways, we're back on unboxing this T-Rex. Trying to get all these seedlings off of me. Okay. Let's see if we can get the deal off here. This one don't even have a screw drive on it. How the heck am I supposed to get this one out? Well, this one don't have deal on it. So I'm gonna try to. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't mean to hit you there. Try to pry it off there. Well, let's see. Look at the instructions one more time again. See if we can get this off here. Screw the T-Rex. Counterclockwise. Okay, let's counterclockwise it. Oh. Try to grab a hold of here. Please counterclockwise. It might help actually read the instructions, huh? Okay. There's that one. There's this one's coming up too. Okay. It looks like it's not gonna. Remote control's not gonna open on this one yet. So it looks like we have to do part 3. I thought it would come with the. Yeah, guys. Ain't that pretty cool? This will be facing Godzilla there for a while too. So as a background there, so I'm gonna keep that background. And now the wind's starting to pick up this morning. I can't believe it. Sorry, picking up was pretty dead. But let's push the button again here. I'll put the batteries in the remote control later. You can. Where's those battery deal out there? Well, I did have the battery. There it is. I'll do there. Well, ain't that pretty cool, guys? Hey, guys, I'll see you guys in the next unboxing video. Bye-bye.